Hey y'all, welcome to today's video of, hey G-Mall, what's for supper? Well y'all, tonight we got a quick one, okay? So y'all just hang in there, okay? It's gonna knock your socks off. Welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. I'm the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms, where we are all about faith, family, home, and farm. I hope you find something on our channel that will encourage you and inspire you on your journey. Be sure to give us a thumbs up, hit like and subscribe, and be sure to turn that little notifications bell on so you'll get notified every time a brand new video is uploaded. We hope to see you in each and every one. Thanks for watching. Hey y'all, welcome to today's video of what's for supper, G-Mall. Y'all, this is a quick one. This is gonna the minimal prep. I think it took me maybe like 10 minutes to prep, get things together. There's only one thing you have to do. It is so simple. Y'all, this can be for a summer side dish or a winter side dish, fall, spring dish. I don't care, a side dish, okay? Because it's packed full of meat and some vegetables. So you're going to have vegetables in this dish. You're not going to have to make an extra vegetable. This is just a simple side dish or a dish all by itself. Y'all, this works perfect for potlucks, days out on the boat, at the lake, whatever, okay? Since it's a cold dish, then I would say it may be more summery, springy. Okay, that's fine. So, y'all, this is so simple. I have done just a little bit of prep work, but it is, I'm knocking everything off up here. It is so simple. I will turn y'all around here and let y'all see what I've done, and then I'll explain it and explain it. As Ricky Ricardo would say, me and my husband's been watching I Love Lucy for the past week, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I miss these old shows. I grew up watching these shows. And he's like, I need to explain. And she's like, well, explain. Okay, so I'm going to explain it to you. Okay, so I got everything out here, and then I'll turn y'all around and I'll walk you through it, okay? Okay, y'all, this is all I've done. I have taken the tricolor rotini pasta and I've boiled them, drained them, and rinsed them off under cold water. Dumped it in this bowl. I've got seasonings, salt, pepper, some cilantro. That's all I'm going to use because I'll show you why in a minute. I've got one vegetable in here. You can pick a vegetable that you want. Let me tell you this for a second. You can pick a vegetable if you want, but don't put too many vegetables in here or it's going to take away from its purpose of being a pasta salad. This is that, I don't know what it's called, y'all, like a pizza pasta salad, pepperoni pasta salad. I don't know, y'all, but you'll recognize it when you see it, and that's what I'm making tonight, okay? So I've been out and about today. I went to the local lake here, got me some rays, y'all, got me some sun. I needed my sun therapy. So, yeah, that's why, So I had to come in. I'm like, oh, I got to get some supper done before hubby gets home. So here we go. All right, so that's prepping. Okay, you don't want a lot of vegetables in here, but you want enough, okay? But you don't want to drown out the meat and the pasta. So I had a radish in there, or 3 radishes in there I just needed to use up. Y'all, you can put raw squash, cube it up, zucchini, cube it up, cucumbers, anything that you want, shredded carrots, but just not a lot, okay? I just saw these 3 radishes and I'm like, let's get them out of the fridge. Okay, I'll turn you around. This is the other prepping. I've got chopped up pepperoni and salami, cubed up mozzarella cheese. Now, y'all, I wanted fresh mozzarella, but they just didn't have any. I looked all over that Walmart and Kroger, and I just couldn't find any. Maybe they were out. I don't know. All right? I've got olives, okay, sliced. Ow, about to cut myself. Sliced. And I've got diced tomatoes, the Italian style, because this is going to be an Italian flavored pasta. Whole kernel corn. It's been drained, okay? And then I found my husband some sugar-free Italian dressing, okay? That's why I didn't want to put too many seasonings in here, okay? So, let me set y'all down here where you can see. Y'all, All you do now is you dump your ingredients in here and you stir, and voila, you've got supper on the table. So we're going to start with the olives. See how quick that is? See how simple? Ta-da! Whoop! Drop the olive. Okay? Now I'm going to watch and make sure I don't get too much vegetables. I do like a little bit of that. And y'all, I'm going to tell you something. This freezes well. Even if you accidentally make too much and you want to freeze it. Y'all, I have froze cold pasta before, and it's been fine after it's thawed out. It is, and you know what? It's good served cold, so it helped it anyway. All right, I'm just going to add the rest of these tomatoes, y'all. There wasn't much in there anyway. Trash. All right, now, corn. I'm going to use half first, and let's see. Because, like I said, I don't want the vegetables drowning out the pasta and the meat. Salami and the pepperoni, okay? Okay, I can just use the whole can. Y'all, I used a whole box of the rotini, so it was like a pound of the noodles. All right, we're going to add that. Y'all see how simple this is? Y'all, if you've been somewhere all day long and you just don't feel like cooking, something like that, y'all, this is the perfect thing to whip up on a hot summer day. You can pack it in your cooler, picnic lunches. I may actually add some more pepperoni. All right. I may actually add some more. All right. Then you just put your cheese in, plop. Y'all see how simple this is? And this is what's for supper, y'all. Now, when you serve this, you're going to, in your bowl, you're going to put shredded mozzarella on the top. I don't want to put it in here because I want to use this as a garnish. You can use extra garnish and use fresh parsley or cilantro. All right, and then you just add your dressing. I need to save a little dressing for another night's meal right there. As a side dish for another meal one night. I knew I was going to have to save that, so I'm glad I reminded myself. Y'all, do y'all see how simple this is? My husband can take some to work with him. Y'all, this makes a good lunch to put in your lunch box to take to work. No microwaving, no nothing. Good to use for a lunch. Here we go. Mix it all. Ooh, get that back in there. I may add a little more pepperoni because I want it just a little more meaty. But let's just do a taste test. I'm not ready to plate up my plate yet, y'all, but I do want a taste test just to make sure everything's incorporated right. So I'm going to grab me a little sneak bite here. If y'all don't fall over, I'm going to grab me a little sneak bite just to see. I want a piece of that cheese. I want a piece of that pepperoni, olive. I want a good bite of everything, y'all. Tomato, radish. I think I got everything in one good bite right here. Give me a little piece of that corn. I want it all, y'all, in one bite. Let's see if I can do this. Can I get it all in one bite? Olive, corn, radish. Okay. It's falling off my fork, so I may not be able to get it all on one spoon. Okay? It may take me 2 spoonfuls to taste test, okay? But let's just make sure the seasonings are right, okay? Put me an olive on top. All right? Put me a piece of corn on top. Oh, it fell off. I want it all in one bite. Okay, let's taste test this. Y'all, hold on. My pepperoni fell. Y'all, you can't get no more simple than that. This is going to fill us up tonight. I don't have to serve anything with this. You've got your pasta. You've got your vegetables, your dressing, your seasoning, your meat. How many vegetables is in this thing? How many did we put? 3, 4? Y'all, you can't get much simpler than that. I probably will dice up a little more. I don't think, maybe I eyeball things, y'all. I think I will probably get just a little more salami pepperoni. It needs a little more pepperoni. Y'all, that's all I did. I dumped and I stirred, but I did do a little prep work from the beginning, but that's fine. This is all you had to do. And you've got a complete meal right here in a bowl. And like I said, this is like a pack and go, picnic lunches, lunch boxes for either school, work, okay? It's not just, it can be for a high school kid's school lunch. Y'all, if your younger kids like it, put it in a bowl, send it in their lunch box, y'all. But I'm thinking probably a teenager. This might be a good meal for a teenager. Y'all, it doesn't get much simpler than that, okay? So, y'all fix you I don't even know what this is called, y'all. But that was it. The only prep work was just slicing and dicing just a few things. Boiling the noodles, that was it. Kitchen cleanup is easy. One pot. Kitchen cleanup is easy. Throw the cans away. There you go. That's all I got to do. And when I do serve this up, we'll put the Parmesan cheese on top. And that's it. Y'all, you got supper. And it's a pack and go thing. Side dish, summer, picnics. So, y'all are welcome, okay? I will catch y'all in the next What's for Supper, G-Ma?